Hey friends, what's up? So my name is Vishal, and just on a casual day I was going through my social media where I spotted DYD. Yes, DYD. They offer doorstep car servicing. What? Doorstep car servicing? Yes. And that caught my attention. And out of curiosity, I downloaded their app and booked the service for my car. Okay, so to my surprise, they arrived at my doorstep right on time with branded parts, steam wash, and a fully equipped service van. Yes, it was very impressive. Let me tell you what top notch service they have performed. Also, experiencing the car service right in front of me was truly amazing. Friends, do check out the app and all the amazing car services they offer right at your doorstep.